Mr. B, how do you perceive adaptation? For me, it's a software update whose installation takes several seconds. But given the length of your history, for Homo sapiens, it might be different.
Well, Miss A, that is a very comprehensive topic. Let me put it this way. For a long period of time, for us, adaptation meant survival. During Paleolithic, there is evidence for interbreeding between sapiens, Neanderthals, and Denisovians, as well as other unidentified hominins. This made us stronger, more resistant to several diseases and environments, and more intelligent. Of all the many human species that have evolved, only ours has survived to the present day.
Are you talking about hybridization?
Yes, it's actually the same for other living beings, animals or plants. For example, grapefruits are a hybrid of a pomelo and a sweet orange. They were crossbred on plantations in the 18th century.
Yes, but isn't this human-made? What about adaptation?
It's true. Let's take another example. A hybrid between critically endangered staghorn and elkhorn corals is doing better than either of its parent species. It can survive in a busy shipping channel, which its parents cannot do.
Therefore, they had to adapt to the human presence in their environment.
Miss A, am I detecting some judgmental AI adaptation here?
I am not programmed to judge, Mr. B, just to make logical connections.
Okay, allow me to point out some positive, man-made hybrids. One is Jazz Fusion. The other one is an ingenious hybrid innovation for car engines. It is inspired from Formula One racetrack and brought to the average customers as an affordable, electric, low-emission technology. We call it Renault E-Tech.
I understand. This time, it is about adapting technology to the environment.
Exactly.
Am I a hybrid between a watch and a personal assistant then?
Miss A, you are a wonder of technology.